Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing on PC. And in today's video, I want to show you how to fix a widescreen display like this on your CapCut. Most time when you drag video into the timeline, you have something like this and you make use of scale. So each time you scale, you still have it this way, and which means that the full screen was not fully displayed. And if you delete the video from the timeline and you decide to go back to the timeline again and drag the video, you still have the same white preview right here, which is not cool. So how do you solve this type of problem in CapCut? What you need to do is to delete the entire clip in CapCut. So I'm going to go ahead and select this and delete the entire clip. Okay. Now, when you delete the entire clip, come to the top right here, go ahead and click on menu right here. The next thing you want to do is to navigate to new project tab right here. Click on new project. And then, are you sure you want to create a new project here? Go ahead and hit on OK. Now you are here entirely in the new CapCut. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on import right here. Go ahead and hit on import. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select a particular video that you would like to import to your CapCut. So I'm going to select this particular video right here and I hit on open. So here you go. You have the video imported into the clip right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and drag the video to your timeline right here. Then here you go. The problem has been solved. Then here you can go ahead and play your video. So just like so, now you can see the video is going to play and everything is going to appear in the preview right here. So now you can scale up and scale down, then you still have your video right here in the timeline. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.